Corn silk is used for bladder infections, inflammation of the urinary system, inflammation of the prostate, kidney stones, and bedwetting. It is also used to treat congestive heart failure, diabetes, high blood pressure, fatigue, and high cholesterol levels. Corn silk dosage. That said, most labels for corn silk supplements recommend considerably lower doses of 400 to 450 milligrams taken 2 to 3 times per day. It's recommended to start with a low dose to ensure that your body responds favorably, then increase it gradually if necessary. How to make corn silk tea. Making corn silk tea is not difficult. All you need to do is boil 1 tablespoon of corn silk chopped in 1 cup of water. Once it is done, cover the pan and allow it to steep for 15 to 20 minutes. When it is cold enough to drink, you can add 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you desire. This sweetens the tea for those who prefer it that way. You can store the remaining tea in your refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. The dose depends on the condition that you suffer from as well as your body weight. The general recommendation for adults is 1 cup 2 to 3 times a day. Experts recommend not drinking corn silk tea right before you go to sleep. The dose for children should be reduced accordingly. Before you use this tea as a treatment for any condition, make sure that you consult your healthcare provider to make sure that it does not interfere with any medication. Corn silk tea is a great way to gain many essential nutrients and treat and prevent a wide range of ailments and diseases. It is an all-natural remedy that you should consider making a part of your daily diet and gain loads of benefits that other foods may not be able to give you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Fits Go Health's channel and like if you like this video.